Please know that I love you both, that we all love you both, and that we wish you love and the mutual respect and even admiration that will make yours a real, tranquil, and enduring marriage.
Ariel, we were drunk in the back seat on something stronger than the drinks at the bar. We had just come out of a freak torrential hailstorm. Everyone was soaked, everyone was happy, and we were in love.
We wish you discovery, joy, and the humility to understand your limited place in this great and glorious world and universe. God bless you both.
I love beautiful sunny days with you, but I know why I only think of the rotten weather when I think of our love. Because in those times, nothing matters but you and me. Even when it's scary, I know I'll be okay with you.
For as long as I can remember, I have been obsessed with Ari. I phrase that very carefully. I love my sister, and I look up to her, as much as I can anyway, because she's pretty short. And I've learned an incredible amount from her. But more than anything in my life, I remember being her #1 fan.
When I first met John, he had long blonde hair, a ripped t-shirt, and he was riding around on a unicycle. And I thought to myself, okay, kind of a weirdo, kind of a badass, definitely friendship material.
She's shaped my understanding of so many things in life: music and relationships, anxiety and coping techniques, curly hair tips and tricks, true literature, and truly terrible romance novels. For all of my life, she has been this unattainable, super cool icon. And since I knew I never could catch up to her, I've always coveted the ability to call her mine.
He was that guy who exuded so much self-confidence and so much self-awareness that he could prioritize the group's well-being over his own selfish desires.
You ready?
I'm ready.
And John and Ariel met, as most couples meet these days, on a dating app.
You guys are crying yet?
I can't?
No, not
Oh.
yet.
It was love at first swipe.
For your future, I wish you both incredible happiness and many adventures. I hope you each feel as amazingly lucky to have each other as I do to have the both of you.
It warms my heart so much that you have found each other and that you've decided to spend the rest of your lives together.
Ari and John, I want you to remember that each time you see one another, I want you to feel the love growing inside of you. Each time you see one another, allow that love to grow even stronger. It will remember the past, imagine a wonderful future, and fill your hearts with joy. From each day to the next, you know that this is the one. You know that this is the person that you will belong to forever.
John, I have always been a reader. My favorite stories have always involved a happily ever after between a strong, independent heroine and a man who loves her. When I met you with a book in hand at my favorite bar, I knew I met someone who could be a perfect match for me.
I promise to love you and Tella and Einstein until he inevitably outlives all three of us. I promise to go anywhere with you, if you'll have me. I promise to play Taylor Swift for you whenever you need her. And to sing the lyrics under my breath when I think you can't hear me.
I promise to treat every adventure, large and small, as the next grand chapter of our love story. I promise to love you, all of you, with everything I am, every day. I promise to choose you, to challenge you when you need it, and to always be open and honest with you.
And finally, I promise to stay madly in love with you through all the bad weather and even the good. Love you.
Karen and I have been together for 39 years. We've had 2 children. We take things very seriously when it comes to family. And I can tell watching you by the way you treat your mom and your dad, your nieces, your nephews, even your brother. You're the man that I know that my daughter was always looking for. And I appreciate that. To the both of you, I give this advice. Wake up each day, look at each other lying there, and appreciate the fact that you found each other. John, my family, those who are here and those who have departed before us, welcome you into our family, and your family into our family. We welcome you. Karen and I could not be happier to have you as our son. A toast to the couple for a long, happy, prosperous life filled with love and respect for each other. God bless you, and thank you all for coming.
Saying after they break glass is muzzle toss, and it means good luck or congratulations. I now pronounce you husband and wife. John and Ariel, congratulations.